Hello everybody! Chancing upon the difficult tasks, the challenging movement, and the sensational starts. We have ultimately arrived at this position from where we can effortlessly justify anything like a dirty water. Because we got used to knowing and keeping our hands above the water, so we are no longer passive and stagnant. In this video, we are going to describe, briefly an adjective with its degrees. For example, what does an adjective stand for? An adjective is a word which is used to describe or modify or quantify the nouns or pronouns. And it is used to show the quality of someone or something. For example, that tree is beautiful. My shoes are expensive. Now come to another one, comparative degree and superlative degree. But before we go there, we go through it. First, we want to tell you something that you have to follow some rules, to understand this more effectively. And that is when an adjective, ends with why? What would you do? You have to remove. You have to drop y and you have to put IER. For example, pretty. Now here you can see y, which is coming at the end. Now you have to remove it and you have to add IER, so it becomes prettier in comparative, and for superlative it becomes the prettiest. You will add IEST in superlative and IER in comparative when an adjective ends with Y. You have to recall your mind when you forget it. Now, and the rule is when an adjective ends with this formula, consonant, vowel, consonant, means at the end there's a consonant. So what we do? We double the consonant. For example, hot, big, thin. Here you can see big becomes bigger. We double the G, consonant G, big, bigger. Thin, we double the N, consonant N. Thin, thinner. We double the consonant thin and thinner, big, bigger. Now they are your comparative degrees. But for the superlative degrees, what do we do? Big, biggest, the biggest. The is also important here in superlative degrees. The, it's very, you can say, mandatory. The biggest. Like the hottest, like, and the examples of many examples if you see. So another one is superlative degree. Superlative degree, we use it. We use it to compare the rest of the things and the rest of the people. One thing with the rest of the people. For example, that leader, Abdul Ghafoor, is the smartest leader in our area. And that child is the most intelligent in our whole locality. Now you got the examples and you understood it. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and like this channel. We are really passionate and we are to move on. Thank you so much.